up my time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it.
Hi everyone, this video is a little bit different for me, but today I have decided to do a what I eat in a day video. Now I'm doing this because you guys have requested it time and time again, that I must say I'm not a health professional or a dietitian or a nutritionist, but there are a few tricks that I've picked up along the years to help me stay the weight that I feel most comfortable at. And at the moment I feel like my pants are just getting a little bit tight, which for me is the measure of when I need to just sort of rein things in a little bit and just be a little bit careful with what I'm eating. So for the next couple of days I'm going to eat similar to what I'm eating today. So I thought today was a good day to show you exactly what I eat on days where I feel like I just need to tighten the belt a little bit and rein things in a little bit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, I would love you to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more. I usually create videos on fashion related topics and minimalism, but if you like these videos, I really need to know about it, so I will continue to create more. So anyway, here is my first what I eat in a day video. I hope you enjoy it.
Your dreams tonight.
Okay, so today is a fairly normal day for me. I've got quite a bit of work to do. I work from home and I've also got a gym session booked in. Now, going to the gym has been a game changer for me, so I thought I'd take you along and just kind of give you a little bit of a look at what a normal half-hour PT session for me looks like. But first up, I am starving, so I'll show you what I eat for breakfast. I always start my day the exact same way with a long black coffee. I just find that this helps me kickstart my day and helps me wake up. Now I don't actually measure my oats, but you can check the packet if you aren't sure what quantities, but I just add some water to my rolled oats and then I pop them in the microwave for 2 minutes. Then I just add some protein powder. The one I'm using at the moment is a Lux protein powder. I add 2 scoops, and this is an organic coconut sugar, which just makes my oats really nice and creamy. I give them a little bit of a stir, and then I add some soy milk. I usually have almond milk, but this morning I only had soy, and then I've topped my oats off this morning with some fresh raspberries, which I absolutely love, and some almond. I think these are called slivered almonds. Anyway, I give this a little bit of a mix and it is creamy and delicious and a great way to start my day.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me.
Okay, this is me trying to master the art of deadlifts, and I'm really struggling with these. I find them really awkward, but they are designed to work on your booty, so I'm going to master them. This is my trainer, Matthew Rolliston, and he's giving me a little bit of a demo on how to do it. He gives me these weighted lifts because I absolutely can't stand doing burpees, and this is just something that I find a little bit easier but still gives me the same sort of workout. I do 3 30-minute PT sessions a week where my personal trainer guides me through a series of weights, and sometimes we add a little bit of cardio, but generally I just do weight sessions, and I find that these sessions have been the most incredible thing for me, and they've definitely changed my body like nothing else. Well, I've just got back from the gym and I am hungry again, and no surprises there. So it's time to whip up my favorite lunch, and at the moment my favorite lunch is a smoothie bowl, and I just find with smoothie bowls that they are a really easy way to get a lot of goodness into your diet. They're filling, they're tasty, and they are quick and easy too. So here is my go-to smoothie bowl.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me.
So for this smoothie bowl, I just add some mixed berries to my NutriBullet, and I don't usually measure them out because I kind of know my quantities now. I've been making these smoothie bowls for long enough. And these mixed berries are my favorite because there's strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and they are just yummy. And then this is the protein powder that I'm using at the moment, but I do swap it out from time to time, and I just add 2 scoops, and then I add a tablespoon of acai powder. This one from Matakana Superfoods is my favorite. And then, yeah, I have some soy milk. I just add a little bit, and I think the key with smoothie bowls is not adding too much. It always looks like it's not going to blend, but if you persist, it blends up and ends up this yummy, creamy, super smooth and delicious smoothie bowl. And then it's time just to top it with whatever you have. So today I'm making it look pretty for you guys. So I'm using some coconut, the fresh raspberries because I've got them on hand, some blueberries, and then to finish off I'll just add some more almonds. But yeah, whatever you've got. Sometimes if I don't have anything fancy, I'll just sprinkle some raw uncooked oats on top, and that is surprisingly yummy too. And this is my favorite snack at the moment. These are tamari flavored almonds, and I have them with fresh blueberries. Now these eaten together are the most delicious snack. If you haven't tried them before, you're in for a real treat. Now this is the easiest dinner on the planet, and as you can see I'm still in my gym gear. I've pretty much worked from home today, so I often do that on days where I've gone to the gym. So today I'll prepare my dinner and then have a nice hot shower afterwards. Anyway, my dinner tonight is super healthy and the easiest healthy dinner on the planet, so check it out.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me.
So I just cut up some firm tofu into some cubes, and then obviously turn 2 pans on. I need a pan for my tofu and another pan to stir fry my veggies. I use these frozen veggies, which I just find super handy. I always have them in the freezer, and it's the easiest way just to get a whole lot of veggies in. And then I'm adding some sweet chili sauce, which is another favorite of mine, and then a splash of soy sauce or tamari, it doesn't matter. I usually have this on a fairly high heat just to give it a really good stir fry, and it only takes a couple of minutes. And while that's stir frying, I add the tofu into the other pan, and I add the same ingredients, just a dash of soy sauce and a little bit of sweet chili sauce, and this just kind of caramelizes on the outside of the tofu and makes it a little bit sort of crunchy and extra tasty. Tonight I really felt like a salad, so while they were cooking I just created a little bit of a salad in my bowl. So I've just got some rocket, some beetroot, and some... what have I got there? I've got some zucchini. So on top of that, I'm just adding a tiny little bit of olive oil, some balsamic, and then I've cooked up a little bit of rice and quinoa. And if I'm really trying to reduce, I'll just skip the rice. But then I add my stir-fried veggies on top and then the tofu, and I like to top it all off with a dollop of yummy hummus. This one's a sun-dried tomato. Then I'm just adding some salt and pepper for flavor, and then this is a vegan parmesan, but you can use nutritional yeast. And I've just found these yummy seeds. It's seaweed and soy salad seeds, and I pop them on top, and they just add a little bit of crunch and some extra goodness.
Inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me.
Before I go to bed, I always like to have a herbal tea, and I sort of change up the flavors and what I like to have, and then I have a piece of yummy dark chocolate. It always feels like a sweet treat, and it's a nice way to end the day. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day video. If you did, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more, and I shall catch you in the next one. Bye for now.